What's up, YouTubes? Jeff here with Little Trailer Big Adventures. Today I'm going to show you how to manually override your Schwintek slide. Let's go inside. Today's demonstration will be on a 2014 Aerolite A22-5 RBSL. Step 1 is to locate the Schwintek control module. In most cases, it'll be in the front cab. But in this case, you'll find it in the most convenient spot, located under a sink. Right down here. Using a screwdriver, go ahead and remove that panel. With the panel removed, we can now see a screw on either side holding it into the floor. Go ahead and remove those two screws. This is not a must, but accessibility does help out. So diagnosing your problem will be as simple as counting how many red lights blink and corresponding it to the fault code. Using the manual override is as simple as pressing this button 6 times and hold on the 7th time till the lights start to flash. When the lights start to flash, retract your slide. And that's how you manually override your Schwintek glide system. We hope this video helped you out. If it did, please give us a big thumbs up. Check out some more videos at littletrailerbigadventures.com. We thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Peace out. Yow!